So today I'm going to talk about 3 features that your Amazon Echo device can do now that you may not know about. So number 1, if you're concerned about weather, severe weather that is, and you want to be alerted when a severe weather is coming to your area, it might be tornado, it might be hurricane, depending on which part of the country you live, or even a blizzard. Well, now your Amazon Echo device can notify you when that severe weather is about to hit your area. All you have to do is just say, notify me when there's severe weather alerts.
Okay, I'll notify you when there is a weather alert for Belleville. To turn this off, ask me to cancel severe weather alerts.
So it's that easy. So now she's going to alert me when there's severe weather in my area, so you can do the same for yours. Number 2, you can actually rename a device now without going into the app. For instance, I'm going to do one right now to show you how it works. Rename storage light plug.
Okay, what's the new name?
Studio light plug.
You want to rename storage light plug to studio light plug, right?
Yes.
Okay, I've renamed storage light plug to studio light plug. I'll remember studio light plug is connected to a light. You can change this anytime.
So it's that easy. So now you don't have to go into the app and actually do the renaming. You can just ask her to do it for you. So you can see that she changed the name because it's the first one on the list. And just to show you there's no trickery, rename studio light plug.
Okay, what's the new name?
Kitchen light plug.
You already have a group or device with that name. What is another new name you'd like to use?
Bathroom light plug.
You want to rename studio light plug to bedroom light plug, right?
That'll work. Yes.
Okay, I've renamed studio light plug to bedroom light plug.
Now I'm just going to refresh the page where all my devices is, and look, that's the new name. Now this is a cool one that they've added. So if you need to get somewhere and you need directions, all you have to do is ask her, give me the directions to whatever that place you're looking for. Give me the direction to the nearest Chinese buffet.
At the moment, traffic to Chinese buffet at 2610 Homer M. Adams Parkway looks pretty clear. The fastest route takes about 57 minutes via I-64 and IL-255.
Send that to my phone.
Sending that now.
So yes, now you can ask for places that you would like to go, and then she's going to give you the place and the directions and all that stuff. And then it will show up on your Echo Show to let you know what she has found, but it will also sound on your Echo devices if you don't have the one with the screen. And then the next follow-up command, what you want to do is say, send that to my phone, and then she's going to automatically send you a notification. And then once you get on that notification, you can click on it. It's going to open whatever map you have as default, whether you have Google Map or Waze Map or even Apple Map if you have the iPhone. And then once you type on the notification, it's going to open up the map app just like this. So all you have to do is get in your vehicle, hit start, and then follow the directions to your destination. So those were those 3 things I wanted to tell you about that your Echo device can do now that you may not know about. So if you didn't, now you know. But I want to show you one more thing before I go. When you go into the app, on the devices, they've added a new section now called Cooking. When you go under that, if you have the June oven, it pops up there. Now, I'm not sure what kind of smart oven you have, but if you have the June oven or any of the smart oven, it's going to pop up on this list. Now, I haven't found any routine that I can apply to it, so maybe it's just recognizing the device to let you know that it knows about it, but you can't really put it in a routine. Now, there's a skill that you can actually use to tell her to preheat the oven or stop it. But there's no routine yet that I can see that where you can set up like preheat the oven when you walk into the door without you actually giving a command. That would be cool. So all I have to do is just stick my food in there and it'll be ready to go. So maybe that will come down the line, but right now that capability is not there. I just want you to be aware that that category is now inside the app. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching it. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.